In this session, I will add a little more detail to the exterior model by using a profile tool, which allows me to basically take a two-dimensional profile and extrude it along a path, creating some type of 3D form. This could be used for base moldings, for cornices, for crown molding, a lot of different uses for this. And we're going to place a little bit of a metal bullnose around or between the first office floor and the second office floor where it turns to the metal panel. So I'm going to actually place this in the first office floor, A floor office 1, but because I'm placing it between that floor and the next floor, I'm actually going to set my floor selector to office floor 2 so that I'm placing it actually at the top of the wall here. So in order to do this, I'm going to select the profile tool. And if I look in the library here, there's various different moldings, as I said, like base moldings and crown moldings. Also could be used for some precast shapes. And I've actually created a couple of my own under the heading of example. So I've got a metal cornice, and we're going to use this metal cornice bullnose in this case. So I'm going to select that one, and you can see there the profile. And these are created by simply creating a 2D cell of that closed shape there, and then of course it gets extruded as we place it in the model. Now we could put in base and side offsets just like we do when we place a wall, but I'm going to just set those to 0 here. And by default it already has a part definition, so it automatically sets that when I selected that particular profile. So it's going to go on our part for a metal panel. And then I simply place this in the same way that I would place a wall. So we're placing it linear. We could have other options such as arc or curve. And I can also select to place it as a closed shape or a closed form. So I'm just going to zoom in here. I'm going to start down here in this corner. I'm just going to select that outside corner of the brick wall. And you can kind of just drag your cursor to see which way it's going to extrude, and so I'm going to just work in a clockwise rotation here and select the corners of the building. And then when I'm finished, I can right click to reset, and I can see that profile there on the building. Just rotate that a bit so we can see it. So again, just another way to add some additional detail to the building. So you've now placed walls, you've modified those walls, you've placed doors, you've placed windows, you've placed curtain wall panels, and you've placed a profile. So you should now be able to finish the exterior skin of this building using everything you've learned so far in this course.